of the world, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see. Hey everybody, Wade McNutt here, Piano Meditation Worship Tutorials, pianomeditation.com. Our song is Here I Am to Worship, key of C, and God, we do worship. We worship during this lesson, all the different things we do in our lives. Let us worship you. We love you. Pray for the student wherever they are in the world. Amen. If you do not have cheat sheets, it's a little chord booklet that helps you work through this stuff. Click below the video. It says email list, and I will send you those cheat sheets right over to you. And you can copy and paste the lyrics from below the video as well. If you copy into Microsoft Word or something like that, it gives you a little box and you can select different paste options. And so it'll look nice once you do it. So we're going to go through this. This is a simple version. I have a different one out there, but I want to do this in the key of C and just really break it down according to those chords in the cheat sheets and especially for the beginners, just to kind of work through this thing. So here's our C chord, C, E, G, right hand. You can play this in the bass. So what you want to do is, as we learn these chords, you want to pause and get them down in your hands to where you can move in between them easily. Don't play like this. Play with your hands out like that. I'm just doing this so you can see. So C chord, light of the world. We go to a G. And it's G, B, and D, and you might be saying, why don't we just do like this? G, B, D, and then we can just jump. It doesn't sound as good, and that's the reason. And we can keep all the chords in the same spot. So C to G, it's just a little movement like that. So if you get to know your inversions, it's going to make it sound better, and you don't have to work as hard ultimately in that right hand. So light of the world. Go to a D minor now. You step down, your D minor, into darkness. And you'll be looking at key of C in those cheat sheets for these chords. If you want to be seeing them as well, make your notes on that page. Back to C. Open my eyes, let me see. F chord here over the word C, S-E-E, F-A-C, and F's in the bass. Beauty that made this heart adore you. Hope of a life spent with you. And if you wanted to go down here for the F chord, I like the way that feels, F-A-C, or you could be F-A-C. Right here. Either one. Sometimes I like to flow down that way for that F. So here in a little bit toward the end of the video, we will pray through this together in time so you can kind of get the flow of it. Let's jump to the chorus. So here I am to. So right on am, here I am is our G chord. To, back to C, worship. Here I am to bow down. Now, it says G/B, so we're playing our G chord, but in the bass, it's a B. So anything after the slash talking to B, and we can keep our G on this thumb here. Here I am to, we have a C/E. Say that you're my God, to an F chord. All together lovely, all together worthy, all together wonderful to me. And then verse 2 is the same as 1, so I'm not going to go over it. Let's jump over to the bridge. A couple extra slash chords in here. We've already played them, but they move a little quicker. So, and I'll never. So right after you say ne, it's in between ne and burr. And I'll never know. Right after no is when you play the C/E. Know how much. And after much is the F. Much it cost to see my sin upon that true? All right. So those are all the chords and the movements of them that you need to get down in this song. So if you're not feeling it, if you don't feel like you can flow through yet, pause the video, work out each section. You can go back in the video and work out certain parts that you need to, and then we can pray this thing together. So for the intro, let's just do a C, just the beginning, that first line of the verse, down to a D minor, back to C, C to a G, D minor, verse 1. Light of the world, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see beauty that made this art adore you. Hope of a life spent with you. So here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say, you're my God, and you're altogether lovely, you're altogether worthy, altogether to me. Jump to the bridge. And I'll never know how much it costs to see my sin upon that cross. And I'll never know how much it costs to see my sin upon that cross. So here I am. Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow. Just hold out. Here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. All right. So there's a simple way to play and pray through this song. Wade McNutt here with pianomeditation.com. Please sign up for the email list below, and you can stay in contact with me and get your cheat sheets and learn even more about the piano and different stuff like that. We'll talk to you another time. Make sure and subscribe. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.